Next topic, NMR splitting of signals. It is already known point that each signal and an NMR spectrum represent one kind or one set of proton in a molecule. It is found that certain molecule a single peak is not observed, but instead a multiplet is observed. Example, ethyl bromide. Two kinds of protons, that is two signals are accepted in NMR spectra, that is a kind of proton, that is b kind of proton, that is two signals. Here explanation, a kind of proton is triplet, that is ratio is 1 is to 2 is to 1, that is b kind of proton, that is quartet, that is one, that is write down here adjacent carbon atom, this one, that is ratio is 1 is to 3 is to 3 is to 1, that is one b kind of proton. Next, draw the NMR spectrum of ethyl bromide, this one compound, that is one. Here top position is delta scale, here bottom is tau scale, this one compound, that is here TMS. TMS means tetramethylsilane. Here already known chemical shift, that is reference electrode. Next meaning here CH2 group, that is triplet. This one is quartet, that is CH3 group, that is NMR spectrum of ethyl bromide, this one. Next another one example, 1,1 to trichloroethane or 1,1 to tribromoethane. Here two kinds of protons present here, that is two signals are expected in NMR spectrum, that is explanation. First one, a kind of proton is doublet, that is two lines only. Next meaning b kind of proton is triplet, that is three lines are present. Here already known spin coupling last class, this one, that is binomial equation, that is 1 plus x power of n, that is one. Next meaning write the structure of NMR spectra, that is top position is delta scale, here bottom is tau scale, this one compound. Here delta scale is contains 0 to 10, tau scale is contains here 10 to 0, 10 to 0, this one compound, that is one, that is 1,1 to trichloroethane or this one compound. Next remaining here third example, acetaldehyde, that is acetaldehyde, that is structure CH3CHO, that is only two kinds of protons, that is a kind of proton, b kind of proton, that is two signals are present in expected in NMR spectra. Explanation, a kind of proton is quartet, that is adjacent carbon, that is ratio is 1 is to 3 is to 3 is to 1. Next one, b kind of proton is doublet, this one compound, that is opposite adjacent carbon. Next ratio is 1 is to 1. Next to draw the structure of acetaldehyde, this one, that is NMR spectrum, same as it is here. Top position is delta scale, bottom is tau scale here, that is acetaldehyde, this one. Next fourth one, ethyl acetate, this one, that is a kind of proton, b kind of proton, c kind of proton, that is total three kinds of protons, that is three signals are present in NMR spectrum. Here explanation, a kind of proton is triplet, that is ratio 1 is to 2 is to 1. Here b kind of proton is quartet, that is 1 is to 3 is to 3 is to 1, this one. Next remaining here c kind of proton, only singlet here, without proton here, only carbon is given, that is right on here singlet, this one. Next to draw the NMR spectrum of ethyl acetate, this one compound. Next last one here example, acetophenone or acetyl benzene, this one structure, that is a kind of proton, next b kind of proton, that is two signals are present in NMR spectrum, that is a kind of proton is singlet, that is a, that is only without proton, only carbon is given, that is singlet. Next remaining here b kind of proton is singlet, that is opposite only, yes, without proton, only carbon is given, that is one singlet, this one, that is NMR spectrum of acetyl benzene. Acetyl benzene, this one compound. that is delta scale is 0 to 10, tau scale is 10 to 0, top position is delta, next bottom is tau scale, this one compound. Next in here, last one topic, subtopic, coupling constant. The distance between the centers of two adjacent peaks. Two adjacent peaks. The distance between the centers of two adjacent peaks, that is in a multiplet, is called coupling constant. It is denoted by J, this one letter. Here units are hertz or cycles per second. Cycles per second. It can be done by simply recording the spectrum at two different radio frequencies. If the spectrum separation between the lines does not change, then the signal is a doublet. On the other hand, if the separation between the on the lining increases with increasing also frequency, the J value is 0 to 20 hertz. That is one. Next, draw the NMR example. Draw the NMR spectrum of ethyl bromide. This one compound. Here ethyl bromide is given. That is AB. That is two kinds of protons. Next, here explanation already known above classes. This one. That is splitting of signals here. Structure. It contains A kind of proton is triplet. B kind of proton is quartet. Next, to draw the NMR spectrum only. Here last peak. Here first peak is given in between distance, that is coupling constant, that is J, this one. Okay, enough this one.